Please check whether the carton is intact after receiving it. Cut the straps and open the box. Please review the entire guide before using the device. The wooden boards are used for camera calibration. The colored plastic block helps with framing. The slatted panel is designed for material cutting. Take out the foam box. Cut the plastic straps. Lift the foam box upward. Remove the plastic bag. Check the machine for any external damage. Remove the top foam. Peel off the tapes on both sides. Lift the lid. Remove the middle foam. Take out the working panel and place it in position. Remove the lens protector. Exhaust hose, power cord, power adapter, hose connector, tool bag 1, screwdrivers, slatted panel, spare screws, USB-C adapter, panel support legs, USB cable, green field lens, Y-shape alignment jig, positioning piece, rotary holder, rotary set, rotary accessories, metal plate, rotary attachment accessories, single-step claws, silicone grips, silicone studs, threaded studs, universal wheel holder, tape measure, spare screws, level, screwdrivers, service card. Take out the hose clamp. Align the screw holes. Install the hose connector and secure with screws. Attach the exhaust hose and tighten with clamp. Direct the other end of the exhaust hose outside through the window. Connect the power cord to the power adapter. Plug in the power cord. Insert the USB cable. Connect to a power supply. Turn on the power switch. Only for Lumos Ultra EU version. Turn the emergency stop switch to reset if it is pressed. Lift the lid. Connect the USB cable to a computer. Place the material in the center of the working panel. Turn the knob until the two red dots overlap to complete focusing. You are now ready to start your creation.